It's true that we are getting closer and closer to the release of the Google Pixel 6 and the Google Pixel 6 Pro. There have been a number of hands-on videos about the device released on the internet over the past couple of days, and with that have come the wallpapers that will be shipping with the Google Pixel 6 Pro smartphone. In today's video, I'm going to show you what those wallpapers look like, as well as how to download them so that you can apply them to your own smartphone right now. So once downloaded, we're going to extract the contents of these files. Now, I do this with a program called 7-Zip, but there are other apps out there like WinZip, WinRAR, and even some free options on Android. And it's most likely that your File Explorer application itself has a built-in way to extract the contents of this zip file. So the theme of these wallpapers are plants, and each photo of the plant comes in both a light and a dark version. So right here we have the Cattleya Orchid, which is available in a black version like this, as well as a light version like this. We then have the Echeveria blueprints, which again, this is the dark version, and this is the light version. Next up we have the Hellebores plant. This is the dark version, and this is the light variant. Then we have the Moth Orchid in dark, and the Moth Orchid wallpaper in light. The next Pixel 6 Pro wallpaper is the Persian Lily, which we have the dark variant, followed by the, you guessed it, the light version. And last up we have the Pincushion Protea, a wild looking plant with the dark variant here and the light version there. So in addition to each of these versions, the Pixel 6 Pro is going to be shipping in 3 different color variants. You'll be able to get one in black, gold, or silver. And depending on which version you get, the default wallpaper will be different for you. So for example, this is the black wallpaper that will be set by default on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. The Pincushion Protea will be what is set by default on the gold variant. And then the Moth Orchid will be set for the silver variant of the Google Pixel 6 Pro smartphone. So that wraps up all 15 wallpapers from the Pixel 6 Pro. These can be downloaded right now. Again, I'll be linking to these in the video description below. And once downloaded, you can apply them to your smartphone. It's different depending on which device. Many have a wallpaper option whenever you long press on an empty spot of the home screen, so that you can set up your wallpaper immediately.